Hello team. So today I'm going to show you what I do extra for my client. I take a piece of toe kick and I cut it down so that it actually will clear my dishwasher door. And then on the back side I install some magnets that we get from Fast Cap. And on the legs where I'm going to put the toe kick, I install these flat headed screws, 3-inch screws from Craig Jig. They're perfect size. Usually use them for cabinets, but they go in down there, and then I put those on, and voila. Show you what that looks like. I'll give you a look at those.